Hi guys, we're Courts Meeks and we're at Camp Creator 2021.
And we are here with Archie and me. They're going to give you a tour around their van in 3 minutes, but start off with a little intro.
Hi everyone, so it's Rob from Archie and me, and this is Archie hiding here from the heat today. So this is my van tour in 3 minutes. Ready, steady, go. So this is my outside garden, my awning. So 3.57 meters, recently fitted because of Archie. Everything's designed around Archie. So as we come into the living quarters, Archie's bed that he's currently lying on.
There he is, the star of the show.
We've got a swivel chair here so I can relax, sit with Archie and all that sort of stuff. We've got our oven because I love pizza, and that's the only reason I bought it. Full-on kitchen, cabinets and all that sort of stuff. Water, fridge, toilet and storage, and obviously my double bed, which is my pride and joy for me, because Archie never comes up on a double bed. 2 air vans and all that sort of stuff, so that's pretty much my crib.
That's your crib? That was quick.
I mean, 45 seconds.
Yeah, I'm not always that quick.
Like, don't tell the ladies.
Yeah, don't tell the ladies.
It's pretty basic.
Have you got your electrics in the back? Is that
Yeah, do you want to have a look at the electric?
Yeah, let's
why
do
not?
that one.
So it's all been certified by young Toby.
Oh wow, okay. Victron approved, is it?
Yeah, Victron approved. So recently fitted, so I've got like a water tank, a 70 litre water tank here. Obviously all my Victron gear, B2B, MPPT, so off-grid hookup, inverter as well, which is fitted to a switch on the dashboard. Nice. So I can turn it on and off. Water pump and accumulator. I've only got one 100 amp lithium at the moment, so just going to see how I go with that. But we've literally just completely ripped that out in the past few days. Added a all-terrain spare wheel for when I go overland adventures and all that sort of stuff in a few weeks.
Amazing.
And the last few things I've got to do is fit some maxi air fans, water heater, a different water tank and all that sort of stuff, and a diesel heater as a backup to my LPG heating system.
Wow.
Big jobs to do, but you know.
Yeah, a lot of big jobs to do, but literally because I love winter, I hate the sun. So when I'm traveling around Europe, I want to go to like Chamonix and stuff like that so I can get some winter in. And like after my experiences of being in lockdown up in Scotland in -7, you need a bit of a backup for everything. So not just cooking, I've got a spare cooker in the back, so but heating systems and all that sort of stuff.
Wow.
Very prepared.
Yeah.
Very
prior
prepared.
planning prevents a piss poor performance. The 6 P's.
Amazing. Love that. And that's almost time, so
Very good.
I'm impressed.
That was very quick.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, fantastic.
Perfect.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.